How to fix your brother printer that is printing but it doesn't scan. So you have a few options you can try, but here we're gonna give you around two. So first of all, you're gonna go ahead to the search bar over here and search for services. Inside your services, you can choose in whichever over here and then press on W to bring you to the W section. You're gonna have to find something called Windows Image. So look for the WI over here, which is this Windows Image Acquisition. You're gonna go ahead and right click on that and then go to its properties. So if the startup type says manual or disabled, make sure it's on automatic. And if the service status over here says stop, you can just go ahead and press on start over here. Now it's just gonna go ahead and load for that, and then it's just gonna run, and then just go ahead and press on OK. You can also go ahead and restart this specific service as well. It's gonna load for that. After doing that option, you can go ahead into your settings, or you can just search for it directly. Search for troubleshoot like so, which is going to be troubleshoot settings. You're gonna have to go to the other troubleshooters over here and find the printer option. You're gonna go ahead and press on the run option, and a little get help tab will appear. So just go ahead and wait for it to finish loading. So this is gonna pop out. Scroll down to this section, press on yes, and scroll down again over here to the no, and then it's just gonna give you a diagnostic run. So it's gonna check for installed printers and other stuff that it does automatically for you. But once that's done, you can go ahead and exit your settings and everything else, and finally restarting your computer. So press on Windows and just press on restart. But those are a few options you can try if your printer isn't scanning properly, even though it prints. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.